Hello, hello. I hope you had a great weekend. I did. I certainly enjoyed the sunshine. I hope you did too. The joke for the day. Why did the lollipop cross the road? Because it got stuck on the chicken. Okay, let's move on to math. You're doing lesson 127 today. And the first thing you're going to do, you have is it a test or a quiz today? You've got one of those today. And I believe it, maybe not. No, it says speed drill. So we're good to go. So we're kind of reviewing here. It's tomorrow. Tomorrow you have either a test or a quiz. All right, 127. Number 1, solve the story problems. Number 1A is a 3-step problem. Mr. Salazar, hey, that's good, they use names we know. Mr. Salazar drove 30 miles on Monday, twice as far on Tuesday as on Monday, and 3 times as far as Wednesday as on Monday. How many miles did he drive on those 3 days? Well, you know he drove 30 on Monday, so you've got Monday down. What do you have to do to get the amount on Tuesday? Tuesday, he went twice as far. So you're going to multiply that times 2. That's for Tuesday. Now, 3 times as far on Wednesday. So Wednesday was 3 times as far. And we know that Monday was 30 miles. So to get the grand total, what do you have to do? Well, first of all, 30 times 2 is, 30 times 3 is, and then 30 is 30. So you're going to add these 3 together to get your total number of miles, okay? And on B, Mrs. Williams had 27 feet of cloth. She used 3 yards of it. How many yards does she have left? So let me wipe this off so I can have plenty of room. So this is a conversion problem, definitely a conversion problem. She had 27 feet of cloth. Okay. She used 3 yards, so we're going to take it off 3 yards. And they want to know how many yards does she have left. So it's going to be in yards. So who's your odd guy out? Mr. Feet here. So you're going to change feet into yards. 1, 2, and 3. So we're going larger to smaller or smaller to larger. Feet to yards is smaller to larger, so we're going to divide. What's our special number? How many feet in a yard? You know what that is. Now, do your 27 divided by 3 gives you how many yards? 9. So now 9 minus 3 equals how many yards? You can do this. Now on number 2, you are to divide like you've been doing all along, but you're going to write each remainder as a fraction. So let's work the first one. I know you can do the rest of them. I just write big, don't I? I need a big blackboard like at school. So 2A is 27, 2A, 27 divided by 4. How many 4s can you put into 2? Can you go into 2? Can't do it, can you? So you got to go from the 2 on over to the 7. How many 4s in 27 without going over? That's 6. Okay, so Dad divided. Mom's going to multiply. 6 times 4, 24. Sister's going to subtract. Sister's subtracting. 27 minus 24 is 3. Now there's no brother to bring down. Okay? So you've got a remainder 3, but they want it in fraction form, so it would be 3 over 4. 6 and 3/4. So it'd be this one over that one. Okay? Your remainder and it goes over your divisor. And you divide it by 4, so that's your divisor. Your remainder was 3. 6 and 3/4. So you work the rest of those that same way. Number 3, divide and check. You know how to do that. And if you need help, give me a call. Number 5, follow the signs. It's adding and subtracting fractions. You know how to do that. Give me a call if you need help. Number 4, follow the signs. The first one's adding 3 different sums. And the second one is multiplying a sum. And you can do that too. Then number 6, it wants temperatures, Fahrenheit and Celsius. Fahrenheit, Celsius, Fahrenheit, Celsius. If you can't remember those, go to the back of your book. But hopefully you'll start remembering these very soon. Now on number 7, find the fractional parts. So 1/6 of 24, that's 7a. 1/6 of 24 is the same as 24 divided by 6. So that would make that 4. Because you can't put 6 into 2, but into 24, 6 times 4. So that's your number. So you just divide this number by that one. Okay? And do that all the way through on number 7. Then number 8, reduce to the lowest terms. I'll do one for you, but I know you remember how to do these. You all did so good on your math test. Was very impressed. Very, very impressed. Good job. Okay. So, reduce to the lowest terms, we have 8a is 3/18. What number can we divide both of those by? Well, first you look at your top number. Can you divide both of those by 3? Actually, you can. So 3 over 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 18 divided by 3 is 6. So that's 1/6. Do the rest of them that way. Find your largest number that they both can be divided by and use that one to divide by that number over that number, which is the same as 1. Number 9, solve the equations. Now these are in parentheses, so you know to do your parentheses first. You guys, you got this. Number 10, write the missing terms. You know how to do this one too. Easy peasy. All right, brain booster. Let's see, what are we supposed to do? You can also move a plane figure by making it turn around a center the way a pinwheel moves. Draw the triangle in one more place where it would turn. So if you're using your triangle as the center, like the center, you could move it around there. You could put it here, you could put it there, you could put it anywhere. Okay? So there you go, as long as you're moving it all around the center. Your homework, write the 11 times table. on a separate piece of paper. So write that all down. And then number 2 on homework is write the products. Products means you're going to multiply. So you do that. You got this. Okay? So then you're going to do a speed drill. And that's number 127. Let's see how many minutes you get. You get 3 minutes. And it's a multiplication table. And you can do this. You can do it. You can do it. Okay. See you tomorrow. Bye.